Hey guys, and welcome to part 22 of building our app. So today what we're going to focus on is that we're going to make it so that this text that we formatted over the past two reels is a parameter for our view, because we don't want it to be hard-coded like, for example, the color of the text. We want it to be variable. And to do this, I'm going to be using the same format that I did for the background color, where I'm going to be declaring a constant with let. I'm going to be calling it central value, and it's going to be of type int. And as you can see, that's going to lead to an error on our preview because it now expects that this value is given whenever this view is called. And so I'm just going to add a random value to pass into that view. And to use it in our code, what we need to do is add a backslash parentheses inside our text, because this tells Xcode that we're passing in something to the text view that's not a string, because in this case, like, it's an integer, but we want it to display as a text. And after this, it's going to say that there's an error just because it thinks that there is sometimes, but I'm going to use Control-Shift-K to just clean the build and give it some time. And then after that, it'll realize that everything is okay. And as you can see, our view is now going to use the value that we pass in as a parameter for that text. Happy coding!